Hey guys, what's going on? Mo here at German Motors in Wayne, New Jersey. Today we got a beautiful F90 M5. We're installing H&R spacers. The spacers are going to be 12s in the front, 15s in the rear. Stay tuned for the fitment that we got going on. No? No. Removed the wheels and we found some corrosion buildup on the hub, so we cleaned that out. Applied some paste on the hub. This way the spacer doesn't seize on when removing the wheels for any type of service, brake service, or anything you need to do to remove the wheel. If the wheel ever needs to come off, it's easy to come off instead of trying to bang it with the hammer and use excessive force to take it off. Torqued the wheels, we took it out for a test drive, topped off the fluids and reset the tire pressures. So the wheel spacers were a success, the fitment was perfect, and we have a happy customer.